Hi team, Blackbird tutorial number 536. How to change the headlight globes with minimal fuss. Well, somewhat minimal fuss. Okay, so bought some LEDs. I'll show you what they look like. Pretty cool. Whoa man, nice and bright. Very bright. I'm like it's gonna, look at that. It's super bright. Daytime. Okay, anyway, so changing the bulb without, shredding in your hands, skin off your hands by putting it down in there. I'm going to show you the sequence that I used, and I read in the forums it's like 2.5 hours. It's not. It's, I think the whole thing, realistically, if I'm to do it again, probably take me half an hour. I reckon I could do it. Not even that, probably 20 minutes. So here we go. The reason I've taken all this off is because there's a sequence of things to take the section out so you can get to the back of the headlight. This is the sequence, so there's no other way, ifs or buts about it. You've got to take the windscreen off first and foremost, and that's just your 6 screws. It's pretty easy. These ones just screw straight in. This one has the bolt at the back, right? You've got to take that off so you can unplug the indicator. Right, so it goes through the little hole in there like that. So you've got to take that off, and then that allows you to remove the indicator mirror assembly, which is these 2 bolts here. Okay, down inside there, there's 2 little lugs. I pulled them out and I removed those plastic bits. So that was the second thing. Then there's a couple of fairing bolts. So 1 here, 3 down here, and inside here there is, up here actually, there's another one that, actually that's where you have to take that off. You do have to take that off because under here there's another little lug type, those plastic Phillips head type of lugs. Not a screw, but just a lug that goes underneath there to join that section on to there. So you do have to take that off to take that off, okay? No, don't muck around with that. Then under here, I don't know if you're going to see it very well. I'll get my little headlight thing in there. There's a lug there on the inside, and there's a lug on the other side, and there's also one a little bit further up. So there's 2 lugs, depending on how many's left on your bike. A couple of lugs to take out there. Okay, and then that allows the whole assembly to just lift off with a little bit of mucking around. It just lifts off, and then the dash stays intact. That whole assembly is together with the fairing, so it all just lifts off, and then yeah, it's a piece of cake. You can then put on the ground and work on the back of the assembly. So that's pretty much it, guys. Screen followed by mirrors, followed by the top fairing, and that whole bit just comes off as one piece. So that's how I found it fairly easy. It wasn't as arduous as I thought. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you find that useful. You could reach inside if you're just changing the bulb and you're quite handy and have really good fine motor control. You could just go inside there and get your hand in there and twist it out. But if you're trying to install LEDs or have a real good look at what you're doing, you do have to take that all off. That's it, everyone. Hope you find it useful. Bye.